Buying a SignPipe workbench. Here is kind of the basic concept behind the workbench. There's a few different kinds of connectors that you need to understand. Here's a corner connector, and you can see that up close here. That's a three-way connector. Two pipes come in, and then one you've got your vertical pipe here. We pre-cut everything so it works to be about a 36-inch workbench. So these legs here, the legs in your kit will be the 31-inch pieces. So 31-inch legs there. The casters are just a stem caster. There is a rubber balloon in here. You just kind of force it up in there and then tighten that down. Lock the caster down. We've got another video on installing a stem caster. Lock the caster down and twist it, and that will compress that rubber balloon in there and hold those casters in place. Another fitting is our SP1, which is this 90-degree fitting here, and that goes across on larger tabletops and just gives you a little more support across a 4-foot span. So you can see if we have a 4x4 area here, or what the SignPipe is actually 44 by 44 inches, then we've added this span. But if you have a smaller workbench, you won't have this center part with the SP1 part. So this is SP1. This part here is our SP2 part. And then if you get a larger workbench, say a 4x8 or a 5x10 or something like that, then we'll also include several of these, which this part here works just like this corner part, except it's a T. And so you can see that that would go there, and that would allow you to extend this workbench off, and it would just repeat the same rectangular cube in essence, as large as you ever wanted to build your workbench. So we just add that part there. So I hope that explains everything. Just the only part that you really have to pick out and measure are the legs, and those are 31 inches long. So once you figure out which one's 31 inches long, from there it should be pretty straightforward. There's brackets in there to attach a tabletop to it, just kind of an EMT clamp, a 2-hole strap. If you have any questions, let us know.